Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Greene County in south central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south central Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albany, or near Evansville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Evansville, Brodhead, Orfordville, Footville, Magnolia, Hanover, and Leiden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.